Okay, so I bought two set of glasses to ride my motorcycle, and one is dark, dark lenses, and the other one is going to be clear. I've been using it already for quite a while, so I am going to give you an idea just in case you are looking for this type of glasses. By the way, not only you could use it for motorcycle riding, but you could also use it for like other sports, so it could be used for multiple different things, right? One of the reasons that I like glasses like this and basis just regular sunglasses, it's going to be because basic sunglasses don't have this right here, and I'm talking about this little phone right there that kind of like prevent the air to get into your eyes and things like that. And again, it's more comfortable to ride. Normally when you're riding with regular sunglasses, the air comes and it kind of goes down here and it comes up. It bothers the crap out of me, so I don't like that. So let me give you a quick look at what I got right here. Again, I got this too. I got them for a couple weeks by now. Here's going to be the dark ones right there, getting a really good look so you can have an idea. Obviously you have that little phone right there. I'm gonna put them on too as well so you can see. Here's me with the glasses in case you're wondering how this look. And again, this is going to be the black ones. They do having in yellow, a couple other different colors as well, so it's going to be up to you. Here's the clear ones. Obviously I wear this ones at nighttime as well. And then if you notice right here, there's a little button right there that you could actually press and remove the little legs right here and actually put a band. So right, so you could use this as a regular glasses, or you could just put the band and kind of more like a goggle kind of style. Here's me wearing these glasses right here. This is the clear one. Obviously this is what I wear at nighttime. I do put them in my bike, and obviously I wear them when it gets dark. I think the black ones look kind of good because it kind of give you the sunglass kind of style, but at the same time it's not like super goggly or anything like that. So again, I think it's a pretty good setup too. I think they look good on me. They're kind of big, so I don't look like a big fat guy with skinny little glasses. They do come with a bag as well. Obviously you could use this bag to like clean them up or just store them. And obviously, just like many glasses out there, it's going to be impact resisting, anti-scratch, shatterproof, 100% of UV protection, and it's a pretty cool look. I think I've been using it for a couple weeks. So far I like it.